I am making this video for this particular persons. If your hair is breaking faster than it is growing, if your edges is thinning, if your hair refuses to retain length no matter what you do, this video might be the most important hair care video you will watch. In today's video, I will show you how to use fenugreek and rice water together, the right way to grow thick, longer, healthier hair naturally. If you want hair density, I mean that thick kind of hair, then watch this video. I just need you to do one thing. Like this video so the YouTube algorithm will push this video to other people to interact with. And this information deserves to reach other naturals. And also comment grow in the comment section so I will know you're serious with this hair care journey. We are going to use just 2 simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. And the number 1 is fenugreek. Before we dive deep into this video, let's answer the most pressing question in the natural hair care community, which is, why is my hair not growing? The truth remains that most people think their hair is not growing, but in reality, the hair is growing. The problem is just length retention. Length retention is a very big problem in the natural hair care community, especially with girlies with fussy hair, which depend mostly on moisture. Let me just say this, if you're a natural and you've not made moisture retention your priority, maybe that is the reason why your hair has refused to grow. The next ingredient for this recipe is rice. It can be the white rice, brown rice, black rice, yellow rice, whichever rice you have, use it. Once you're able to master your moisture retention technique, then you automatically start retaining length, because then you will be able to solve the number 1 factor of hair loss, which is breakage. Pay attention and watch this video, and if you don't understand anything, do not hesitate to drop your question in the comment section. Now let's break down the ingredients we are going to use in this video briefly, starting with fenugreek. Fenugreek contains a compound called lecithin, which deeply moisturizes the hair, makes it stronger from the inside. The primary benefit of fenugreek is that it strengthens your hair strands. It reduces shedding drastically. It will improve your scalp circulation. It adds sleep, like it is a detangling agent. It helps with dandruff and itchiness. It thickens your hair. Above all, it helps moisturize your hair deeply. Onto our second ingredient, which is the rice water. Rice water contains a compound called inositol. I'm going to write it out here just in case I'm not pronouncing it well. This compound helps repair damaged hair and also protect it from future damages. The main benefit of using rice water on your hair is that it strengthens your hair. If your hair is strengthened, then there will not be breakage. It will reduce split ends. It improves elasticity of your hair, and it also adds shine. This recipe guarantees your hair of strength and thickness. There are 2 ways to prepare your rice water. You can either ferment it or the non-fermented. The non-fermented rice water is gentle and beginner friendly, while the fermented rice is stronger, has more protein, and must be diluted before use. But this video doesn't focus on rice water alone, because we are doing a combination of rice water and fenugreek water. And that is not all. We are going beyond fenugreek water and rice water. There is more. So do not skip any part of this video. Watch till the end. Before any other thing, let me explain how we got here. First of all, measure out your ingredients. A little goes a long way, because these 2 ingredients doubles in size. I use just 1 tablespoon of fenugreek and 1.5 tablespoons of rice. You can use more or less depending on your preference. Before combining both ingredients, go ahead and wash your rice very well to remove the impurities. After that, you combine the both ingredients and then you add in some water. Make sure you are using hot water. This will help the ingredients infuse faster. Or you can go ahead and boil this slightly on low heat, but I would recommend allowing it to infuse for a few hours. If you know you are protein sensitive, then you need to watch this video closely, because I am going to explain how you can prevent protein overload and use this efficiently. After you have added just enough water, making sure the water is covering both ingredients, cover this up and let it sit for a few hours.
2 hours later.
After a few hours, the spray is ready. If you notice, the ingredient has doubled in size and the color of the water have changed. Our spray is highly potent now. If you can be consistent with this alone, you are going to see a massive difference. You know I like to be extra, so I'm going to take this up the notch. Let's go ahead and strain out the water while I tell you the benefits of this combination. Fenugreek water and rice water work on different layers of the hair, which is why combining both of them will give you a better result than using just either of them. Fenugreek water moisturizes and gives you that scalp therapy, while rice water strengthens and structures your hair. Most of our hair problem comes from either lack of moisture or lack of protein. This combination addresses both of them when you use them correctly. What you need to know is that when moisture and protein are balanced, your hair stops breaking and start retaining length. Like I said before, if you can control the moisture retention in your hair and the protein is balanced, your hair becomes unstoppable. Now, this is where this whole recipe goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You see this rice and fenugreek seed we just used right now? We are going to make use of it again. What we are going to do is that we are going to pop this into a blender and blend. We'll be using this as a mask. We'll have a spray, then a protein mask. How about that? You have a spray to moisturize your hair and a mask to strengthen it. Just keep watching because you definitely get the value for your time. This treatment is what I call hair resetter. It's deep conditions. It contains iron, which supports scalp health. It contains protein, and it is light and plant-based. It contains antimicrobial compounds. This will soften your hair almost immediately. It will reduce dryness. It will prevent stiffness. It's going to improve on the scalp circulation. It will add sleep, and it takes care of inflamed or itchy scalp. Fenugreek just acts as a preventive layer for the rice water. If you know that rice water will dry out your hair, as long as there's fenugreek in this combination, believe me, your hair is not going to be dry. Adding some water and blend, and this is the consistency we get. Creamy, thick, and slimy. This would instantly reform your hair. If you think your hair doesn't have a coil pattern, just apply this first and see magic. Let's go ahead and strain out the mask using a cheesecloth. This part, you can skip it because if you do, you're going to regret your action. Now, let's talk about why it is best to use both combination instead of using just rice water. If you use just rice water, you might experience stiffness. Your hair becomes very hard. It can lead to protein overload if you use it too much. It can make your hair snap instead of stretch. So it is better to use this combination because it will rehydrate your hair. This simply means that if rice is going to make your hair strong, the presence of fenugreek will not allow that happen because fenugreek is going to make the hair soft. It's going to add some slip and flexibility, meaning it's going to make your hair more elastic. If you pull your hair, it's going to bounce back. Using it with fenugreek prevent protein overload because the fenugreek will stabilize the protein. That is why this combination is safer and it is more effective. So if you are complaining of how drying rice water is, try making it this way. So here you have it, a spray and a mask. It's important to put this out there. You can use any of this every day. I'll tell you how to use both correctly any moment from now. This combination works for any type of hair. Let's talk about something very critical. This is how you know if your hair is suffering from protein overload. Your hair feels hard and stiff. Your hair breaks or snaps easily. It doesn't have any coil definition. Your hair feels dry even after moisturizing, and your hair always looks dull. Protein overload doesn't mean protein is bad. It means your hair has too much of it. Now, how do you prevent protein overload? 1. Dilute the rice water before using it. Always combine with fenugreek. Do not use plain rice water alone, especially when it is fermented. Use once a week max. Do not use every day. Moisturize after every use. Also listen to your hair. If you use it 2 times and you notice there is a negative change in your hair, discontinue immediately. Now let me tell you how to use this before we call it a day. For the spray, apply it on your scalp and on your hair. Massage gently. You can only use this 2 or 3 times weekly. Do not use every day, and you don't need to rinse it out. Go ahead with a leave-in conditioner. Do not skip that part. Focus on your thinning edges, any problem area, and dry scalp. For the mask, apply on a clean hair. After application, use a plastic cap or a shower cap to cover this up. Leave it for 30 to 1 hour, then rinse it out. You can use this once weekly or every other week. This is a test to know if your hair is protein balanced, like your hair is not lacking of anything. This is what you need to do. Do this immediately and give me a feedback. Stretch out your hair. You can take few strands of your hair, stretch it out. If it snaps immediately, you know that your hair needs moisture. But if you stretch it and it stretches too much and then breaks, then you know it needs protein. If it stretches and returns, then you know that your hair is balanced. That means your hair has both moisture and protein. Don't forget to comment your hair need in the comment section. I hope you learned one or two. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.